family, welcome back to another vlog, and today I'll be giving you a farm tour at Uncle's place. It's really going to be amazing as I'm going to be showing you different foods that are in this farm. Some are cash crops, some are legumes, and the most interesting part is we have started with our yams today. As you see, they're ready to be harvested, and in yams we get both food and stew. Did you know that a yam is very good, that it provides you with both the food and the stew? And its leaves are used as stew. Once you cook these leaves and maybe put in the peanuts, if you're a person of peanuts, there will be a special stew. And the downer part is our food that I'll be showing you. It's really so yummy. It's advisable to eat it when you're on diet because it does not add anything on your body unless nutrients, no calories. Along with me to the next part. And guys, our next place is here. Here we are having our greens that are called nakati in our local language. We have just planted them, that's why the seeds are not yet in, but in a few days they will be coming out. All of these are our greens. This whole place, this whole chunk of land is having greens. Nakati takes 3 months to be harvested and you have your own food at the table. Okay guys, come with me to the next place. Okay, next we are having our small garden eggs here. It's called katunkuma in our local language. Too bad we harvested some yesterday that we use for stew, but they're very yummy, though they're kinda they're kinda sour. They are sour, but they are always advisable for people with certain diseases, maybe sugar levels. They always help you. So garden eggs always. Guys, this is how you harvest them. You get it from here, the whole of it, and you're having your small garden eggs. They are used as side vegetables or dessert. That's how I would term it. Okay guys, next we are having our tomatoes. Okay, we're having our tomatoes. Okay guys, these are our green tomatoes. They're not yet ripe, but in a month or in weeks they will be ready to be harvested. And this is how a tomato plant looks like. And guys, we always cover this grass so that once it rains, the water still remains under the ground and the plant can still get some water. Another reason why we still cover this grass around our tomatoes is that this grass supports our tomatoes, because once there is no grass, these are weak stems, they'll be falling down. So we put this grass to support our tomatoes. Another thing is that why you cover is that once you cover this with this dry land, weeds or unwanted grass in the garden will not come up because it will be covered. Let's check it out here where it was not covered very well. You see, it is coming out, but once it was covered, or we covered it very well, once we add, those unwanted plants will not come up. And Avoid to step on the tubers because they are very weak. So every now and then you should always come in your garden and check whether this grass is really covered very well, because it's not a must that once you cover today it will remain the same. Okay guys, and in our farm still we are having our mango tree. Let me try guys to go up. Now in Uganda, once a girl climbs a tree, it's believed that it will not bear any fruit. So that's why I cannot tamper or even dream about climbing a mango tree, because it will never bear fruits. And if at all it bears fruits, they will always be rotten. And here we are, as I'll be removing our weeds in the garden. We are having our potatoes, our favorite potatoes, and this is how they look like before they are not yet harvested. Potatoes take 3 to 4 months to be harvested, and this is our second month. We have been told by Uncle that they are in their second month. They are remaining with 2 months to be harvested. Maybe you use your harvest for food, or you can sell. But we always come to the garden still to remove these unwanted plants that will refuse our food to grow. And you should be careful not to pull out the leaves from the mounds. One tricky thing about potatoes, they always grow in wetlands. You see? Another thing we have in our garden is our maize. Though we cultivated some, but this is our maize plant. And I'll show you some maize. Yeah, that one there, you come and see. This is our good maize. Now this one is not yet ready to be eaten, but in a few days, as you see, it's not ready. We always open them like this to see whether it's ready, and we still cover them up. And the young one is here. The young ones are here, they're just coming up. This one was open, but still milky. We are not allowed to eat when it's still milky. This one is kind of ready. Once you press and nothing is coming out, like milk, it's ready to be eaten. Right here we have our cassava. Cassava, they are still legumes. They give their food from but it is believed, and it's surpassed. Our northern people from the north, they always use and here guys, we are having a pond of water, and this water we always use it to clean our food. As you've seen our yams, we shall bring them here and wash them clean. So that's why we always have ponds in our gardens. And any water that you may need. Okay. Oh my dear, there are ants here. Oh, this is a no-go zone. Ants always like garden. Guys, this is our skuma which though is still very young, but I'm removing some this grass that is making it fail to grow. Oh, there are ants also here. But these plants were very long and they were not getting any sunshine. That's why they are getting spoiled. You see the color is turning to yellow. And once a plant turns into yellow, so it's not a good sign. Next year we are having our sugar canes. We always remove these leaves so that your fruit can get enough. Eating sugar canes. Oh, and this looks ready in a few days. I already see that it's ready in a few days. And here we are having our avocado. Avocado is an international plant. It's used to do our aloe vera. So good. As you see, and some more bags are there. You can remove them and keep at home. You're supposed to put in a dark vera and you put it on the floor so that it gets ripe once it's removed from the tree when it's not yet ready. So this is our own river in our garden, and as I told you, we always use this water to clean ourselves up, to spray our plants. Now I'll be washing my hands and my feet in here. So beautiful here, how it's curvy, heading to different directions, and it's heading to different directions and serving different plants so that every plant can get a sample of some water. It's like irrigation. Guys,
no, it's good.
Guys, if at all you've watched with me until this moment, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. And if at all you've not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe, leave a like on this video and hit the notification bell. We meet again next time. Bye bye.